So hi everyone, and today I am going to explain in FI organization structure. In SAP FICO, FI is one of the part and CO is one of the part. So now we are going to explain the FI part too. So FI in first configuration is enterprise structure creation. So it means enterprise structure creation or else organization structure creation, whatever. So these are the basic steps. These are the basic configurations to create the organized enterprise structure in our whatever we are creating new company. So here our company name is Reliance Group of Company. So I already explained briefly regarding this. What is the group of company and company? So let me I'll explain a few more words. So first of all, I'll explain company. So company means group of company. In SAP terminology, group of company. So normal terminology company. So simply I'll explain Reliance is the one of the group of company. So under the Reliance group of company, there are n number of business units, like n number of business, like Reliance Digital, Reliance Trends, and Reliance Petroleum, Reliance Gas, Reliance Communication, Reliance IT sector, whatever. So these are each and every business line called as a company code. But in normal terminology, business. So normal terminology is called as a business, but in SAP terminology, we are treating as a company code. And group of company is the top level company. So here, group of company is Reliance Group of Company. So my voice is audible.
Yes, sir, audible.
Okay, okay. So simply things you just think group of company means top level company. So based on the top level company, we can generate the reports under the company code level. So this purpose, first of all, we need to create the group of company. So here group of company before doing the configuration, we just create one Excel sheet. Based on this Excel sheet, we can create the configuration. So first we can create the group of company. So if we are creating one company, like group of company name is Reliance Group of Company. In this Reliance Group of Company, here we can enter just 4 digits, four to alpha numerical or letters we can assign only 4 digits. So here so this purpose I can enter RELI. So RELI means our Reliance Group of Company. So then create company code. So company code means under the Reliance Group of Company, we are having different types of businesses, different types of business and different types of business lines and different types of units is called as a different types of units is called as a company code in SAP terminology. So here and after that, after we create the company code and group of company, so we need to assign the our company code to our group of company. So this particular company code belongs to this Reliance Group of Company. We know that, but uh, system we could not analyze this. So this purpose we must and should assignment to the particular company code to the group of company. So then third one assignment of company code. So under the group of company, we can create a number of companies like Reliance Digital, REDA, or else Reliance Petroleum, REPO something. So in this manner we can create, but here we will create only one company code. Under the then after that assignment is required. So after that business area. So business area means in simply a branch in normal terminology. So Reliance Digital is the one company code. So Reliance Digital branch is in Nellore, Tirupati, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, whatever. There are different types of areas. The branch it will be located. The Reliance Digital business line is located in different areas. So each and every business line, different areas is called as a called as a business area, but in normal terminology, you will call it as a branch. So, each and every business line located in different areas, different branches is called as a business area. So, these are the SAP terminology. So, you must and should remember this all those things. And after that, uh, in business area, just Reliance Digital Hyderabad, Reliance Digital Nellore, Reliance Digital Bangalore. So something like that we created will be created. And the fifth one, consolidated business area. So it means consolidated business area means if we will create one consolidated business area, it means all the business area we can assign this consolidated business area. So then only we can generate the reports under the particular company code, all business area level wise. So this purpose, first of all, we create one consolidated business area. So consolidated business area, it will be club all the business area to one platform. So this purpose we can create the consolidated business area. And next, whatever we created consolidated business area, same that business consolidated business area also we need to assign the whatever we are having different types of branches. All the branches we need to assign the consolidated business areas. And after that, functional area. So functional area means in each and every department we are having different types of functions. So like each function is called as a department. So like in each and every organization, we are having the like finance, HR, marketing, and purchase department, sales department, manufacturing department, cost controlling department, procurement department. There are different types of departments is there. So, but now we are in FI module. So this purpose, we need to select the finance department. So using FM underscore function T code, we'll create one finance functional module. So after that, define credit control area. So define credit control area. Credit control area means if we can create the credit control area, based on this credit control area, using the credit control area, within the employees, they are posting the document in particular amount wise. So for example, one new employee introduced on company, but the senior consultant should not enter the option to immediately to the new employee the posting documents amount hierarchy to the some new people joined in organization. He is having up to 5 to 10 lakhs document posting availability, but the senior consultant is having the document posting limit up to 1 crore, 2 crores, 3 crores, 10 crores, whatever. So these purpose, the credit control area, before that, the credit control area we can create it. And after that, the credit control area, we can be assigned to the particular employee wise. After that, assignment of company code to credit control area. So the company code could assign. So this credit control area, we need to assign the company code also. So these are all the basic configurations in the first level. So enterprise structure, enterprise structure creation or else organization structure creation. So these are all the basic configurations. So is there any doubts in this like 9 configurations theoretical manner? Before that, I'm asking if any
Yeah,
doubts.
my side, no, sir.
No, sir. Fine.
Asif, are you understand?
Yeah, fine. Understand.
Okay, let me show my screen. You just explain that one. What I'm saying now. Are you visible my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, let me explain what you understand.
Sir, the basic enterprise for any company,
Okay.
enterprise or organizational structure creation,
Hmm.
there are basic information have to be created, like
Okay.
group of company, and after that company code. For that company code, and we have to assign assign the company code to the assignment, and also business area. Next, they will be the consolidated business area.
Mm-hmm.
Then assignment of the business area.
Okay.
Then functional area, sir.
Okay. You just know the proper information regarding that, then automatically you can done the you can create at least you will create at least 2 or 3 company code, then automatically you are having proper knowledge regarding this one.
Yeah, okay.
So that's what if any doubts you have again you will ask me.
Sure.
And one more question to you. If your company code is REDI,
Yes.
did you create another group of company under the company code?
No, sir.
Okay.
We have to create another company code. Like
Okay.
suppose Reliance Digital,
Same.
Reliance Petroleum, Reliance Communication. We have to take another company code for that. I believe.
Okay. The answer is we will create a different company codes under the group of company.
Yes.
So under the company code, we are not able to create the group of company. So just simple things. So if you are going to interview as a fresher, these are the basic questions.
Yes.
And these are all configurations apart from the implementation project.
Okay.
Actually, today also my server is not working. I use an SAP ECC version.
Mhm. ECC.
An offline download version is there in my system.
Okay. Okay.
So almost 80% of configurations like ECC and Esperana same thing. Once again, let me check my server is working or not. So the first one is the ECC server and second one is the Esperana server. Okay, it will open. Once again, the same company code is created in this my Esperana server. I'll check. OBY6. OBY6 T code is useful for we'll check the company level global data. So enter OBY6 here, whatever we already created in company codes, we will check it, go to the position, REDA. So I'm not created this company code in this server. So I'll create new one. So /n indicates for the home screen. So the topic is enterprise structure. So we are using this enterprise structure configuration like a group of company, first one group of company, using with path also or else T code OX15. So you just see the OX15. OX15 is that
So
OX15.
Mohan sir, a small doubt.
Yes.
Sir, actually ECC and S4 Hana, what's the difference, sir? Like it almost 80%, 90% same, right? In old version.
80% almost same, but in ECC, in S/4HANA, they are introducing new GL concepts and costs, and in CO controlling module also they are introducing different elements.
Okay.
So cost-wise analysis and profit-wise analysis. So there are different types of modules introducing in S/4HANA, and also
Yes.
some of the modules are simplifying the layouts. Layouts also
Yes.
simplifying.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we are going the screen, that screens will be displaying simplifying. And business partner means a vendor and customer point of view, you can create individually. Vendor
Okay.
creation T code is there and customer creation separate T codes is there. But in S/4HANA, they are introducing BP. Simply you can search the BP T code, then automatically you'll get the whatever customer invoices, vendor invoices, customer invoice clearing payment and vendor invoice clearing and payment. Whatever all the transaction relevant document types are displaying in BP. So further classes I'll explain one by one. But one thing, what are the difference between ECC and S/4HANA is one of the most important question in interview. So without this question, interview cannot conduct the interview. So let me further classes, I'll explain one by one, not an issue. So you can see this enterprise structure and global settings are both are same in both in like ECC and S/4HANA also. It's not any both are same. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first configuration OX 15. We are in OX 15. Click on new entry, then automatically new entries. So click companies. Company means group of company. So our company RELI. So RELI. Reliance group of company, and description. Description means full name of our company, Reliance group of company, and address. These are all demo servers, so not an issue. You can enter the. But in real-time scenarios, we'll collect the data from blueprints. Whatever the data available in your blueprints, then that data only you can update here. You cannot do the single mistake only. 52400 something. Languages key. So these are all mandatory columns: languages key and currency INR. So then save. Transport request is generated. So now we created the group of companies. So our group of company name is Reliance group of company. So short name is RELI. So you can use the same path also. So company code creation T code is OX02, or else we can use the same, you use this path. Most of the people, they are preferred in path only, because of you can forget the T code, then then you will struck the same configuration. But using with path, you will check and get automatically. So /n indicates home screen and SPRO. So SPRO means this is the consultant level screen. So here only configurations will be done. But in /n entered. So this is the SAP easy access screen. So here completely end user will work the screen in this one. But consultant also know about completely everything about this end user screen. So then only the consultant will train up the end users. So in consultant point of view, we learn everything. Then automatically end user part of also we can learn. So SPRO, SAP reference IMG screen, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. So define company, just now we created, and edit company code, check company code. So it means this is the company code creation. So here edit company code will select. If we will select the company copy or delete check company code, this one is the, if based on the same company code, we will create the one more company code. This purpose we will use this copy delete check whatever. So but now we want to create the new one. So let's click on the edit option. So here sometimes the data is locked by the user as for HANA 16 and can be displayed only. So it means my user ID is as for HANA 4, but someone same demo server. So it means demo server means some of the server providers, they brought in a server and they are giving maximum up to 80 or 150 200 user IDs. They are bifurcate the server to the different users. So those who are taking the same IP address server, that people are using the same T code in same time, then automatically the system, it shows the data is locked by the user as per HANA 16. So in these situations, we can close this one and /n SM12. SM12. This is the important T code. Whenever you are doing any work, the system, it shows locked. In the scenarios, we can select the SM/n SM12 T code, enter, then automatically will go the screen. Here your username is S for Hana, you just cancel that one and go to the search option. So here you can see as per HANA for these 3 years, as per HANA for there are a number of there are multiple users. They are using that same T code. So that's purpose the system will lock the same T code. So lock table 8. So it means 8 members they are using the same T code same time. So this purpose the system will lock. So now we will select here beside the lock one option is there select all and go to the delete option. So there are a number of options is there. So here select on the delete option and delete. So then automatically the locked items has been deleted. Again, one lock has been displayed. So again, you will select the same thing and delete. So that locks will be deleted. So now we are going to the OX02 or as SPRO. Passion. Wherever you are doing another screen, you will enter immediately /n. /n indicates you will go to the home screen, and immediately you can enter whatever you are opening the screen. That screen decode you will enter. So, but this is the SPRO screen. /n SPRO screen will automatically reach the SPRO IMG reference screen. Go to the SAP IMG reference screen and financial accounting global settings. I'm sorry, financial accounting. Sorry, here enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and edit company code. So click on this edit. So then automatically you will the screen which will be get open. So here now we will create one new company code. So this purpose create a new option. So our company code name is REDI, Reliance Digital. REDI. Enter caps lock. REDA. So here, whenever you are entering the 4 digits your company code, no result found. Then only the system will be took. Or else, same number. If you enter the same number, the system will shows already someone used the name. So in the scenarios, you can change it. So now REDA is no one used in this demo server, and company code. Select on this one, Reliance Digital. City, Nellore. Basha, you just do the patients. Tomorrow notes will do continuous classes. This class already you done, so that you are doing some boring
No, no, no. I'm interested. Okay, sir.
because of last 2 days you done the same configurations
Yes, sir.
and country, currency, INR. If I am doing the configurations, if any doubts, immediately you can ask, not an issue. Language IN, enter. Language in not in system. So country, currency, not in system. IN, I'm sorry. And save. So here, now we are creating the company code. So select any company group, company name we are creating. In the scenario, you can select the company or else person name and both person name wise and person. In this scenarios, you can select this option. So now I'm creating company purpose. So select on company and company name, Reliance Digital, and address. So whatever address, first street, you will enter your own address. House number 1/543. This is my house address. Postal code 524003. City Nellore and country IN. So if you can select the country, then automatically under the country there are different types of states it will be available. So click on this region. AP Andhra Pradesh. Continue. And post box number 524003 something. 524003. So you must understand in real-time scenarios, these are all details you are getting from the client level. So after getting the each and everything, then only the implementation project will be started.
Okay.
So, continue. So company code also we created. So one more doubt, one more thing I'll explain. At the time of company code creation, so here we check INR. We'll select the currency is INR. So interviewer also, what is your company code currency? So in the scenarios, you can ask, you can tell the answer. At the time of company code creation, whatever currency we are assigned to our company code, that currency is called as a company code currency. So that is simple answer. So just we go back, again back, close it. So each and every organization relevant configurations is there, but let me I'll explain T codes, include T codes and path. So same path is there, and T code is OX16. So /n OX16, enter OX16. So again, someone is as per HANA 16, the person is doing the same configurations. So close it. /n SM12. Same time, another user they can click the same T code, then automatically the system shows system it will be locked. So that time you can open it and close and select all and delete. And so then go /n indicates for the home screen and OX16. OX16 is the whatever company code and whatever group of company just we created. So here we need to we need to interlink between company code and group of company. Then only the system will analyze. So particular company code is relevant to the particular group of company. So go to the position. Our company code is REDI. Sometimes you are assigning Basha also doing mistakes same. Instead of company code, he entered a group of company. So REDI, whenever you enter the company code, then automatically company code level, it will be showing an empty. So here our company code is RELI. So Reliance Group of Company. Automatically it will be displayed and entered. So once you enter, whenever save option it will be highlighted up to you can enter. Sometimes some of the companies are entered but they are not assigned to their company code. So these are all empty box. Sometimes if this empty box display, the save button is unhide. So that situation you can enter continuously whenever the save button is highlighted up to. So after save button is highlighted, you can click on the save button. Transport request it will be generated. So now our company code is assigned to the our group of company. So three configurations will be done. And fourth one is define business areas. So just now I explained business area is nothing but branch. So Reliance Digital is located in different areas like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, whatever. So now we need to create the business areas. So using with the T code /n OX03. So go to the new entry and business areas creation. Now we are creating in business areas. So REDY, whatever RDHY. So R and Reliance and Digital. Reliance Digital Hyderabad, Reliance Digital Nellore, Reliance Digital Bangalore, Reliance Digital Chennai, whatever. Reliance Digital Hyderabad, Nellore, Bangalore, Chennai. Okay, leave it. So here description also we can enter Reliance Digital Hyderabad, Reliance Digital Hyderabad, Reliance Digital Nellore, Reliance Digital Bangalore, Reliance Digital, uh, Reliance Digital Chennai. So then enter, only create business areas without or not. So, sorry, and save. Transport request it will be generated. So the data was saved. So now we created the 4 business areas. So business areas is nothing but 4 business branches to the Reliance Digital. So if you can use the T code, or else you can go with the path, also not an issue. And fifth one is consolidated business area. Just now I explained consolidated business area means if you can create the consolidated business area, all the branches, all the business areas will need to streamline the one area. That area we can treat as a consolidated business area. So this purpose we can create the consolidated business areas. So we need to create the consolidated business area using with T code OCC1 /n OCC1. Enter. Go to the new entries. So our company consolidated RDCB. So RDCB. So consolidated business area. Consolidated business area to consolidate. You just created consolidated business area for REDA, whatever you mentioned. Or else you can leave it. Consolidated business area and save. So the transport request, it will be generated for only configuration point of view. Other master data creation, chart of accounts creation time, the transport request, it could not be generated. So because of these are all configuration point of view, if you can done any configuration, then automatically one TR it will be generated. The TR will be moved the testing team. So the testing team, testing means quality assurance team. The quality assurance team, they will recheck the configuration based on the TR. If everything is okay, then they are moving this configuration to the production server. So once the production server is, the data will go on production server, then finally the end user will post the document, whatever. So quality assurance server, the people will check properly, everything configuration is done, then automatically he'll release the TR to the production server. This is the cycle. Save it. So now we need to assign the consolidated business area to our company code. Whatever we just now created consolidated business area, we need to assign our complete all whatever we created the business areas, all business areas, we need to streamline the under the one consolidated area. So using with assignment of business areas, using with OBB6 /n OBB6. Enter. So go to the position. So here you can enter your business areas means RD, REDI. So R means Reliance Digital business area, Reliance Digital RDHY something. So in this scenarios, whatever you are searching in S/4HANA SAP systems, you just enter first 2 digits RD and enter star. Whatever searching, first 2 digits you will enter and star and enter. Then automatically RDBL, RDCH, RDHY, RDNL, whatever created from RD letters, then automatically it will be shows, the system will shows. So now we need to assign the consolidated business area to whatever all the 4 business areas. So our consolidated business area name is RDCB. So enter RDCB. Automatically it will display RDCB, RDCB, again RDCB, and enter, save. System will assign these 4 business areas to the one consolidated areas. So now consolidated area also completed and assignment of business area to consolidated areas also completed. And assignment, so this one also completed. So then define business functional area. So business functional area means I already told each and every department we are having different business, different department like marketing, HR, finance, purchasing department, material management, quality control, assurance department. There are different departments, so here we are in finance department, so we need to create one finance department. The T code is FM underscore function. Once we check the T code, it will be working or not. So as per HANA, it will be work. As per HANA, there are another T code, SM, sorry, FM underscore function. So FM underscore. This is the T code in ECC version, but as per HANA, the T code will be not working. So you can see here, as per HANA also working. Okay, let's go. As per HANA new version, it shows instead of functional area, it shows another T code. So whatever, it will be open. So here now we'll create the business area functional area code. So here I mentioned 2222. 2222 is not mandatory. I just entered in example purpose. So it shows no result. So then we can create this one. So enter and create. So functional area text means finance department, and valid from. So this financial valid from means each and every financial year we need to act to this functional area. So here you can say valid from means financial year starting date to financial year ending date. Here we need to assign. So now we are in 2024-25 financial year. So in these situations, we will select 01/04/2024 financial year starting and valid from 31/03/2025 is the financial year ending. So expect date also we can enter same thing 31/03/2025 and enter. Save. So functional area has been created. So further classes, I will explain why we can create the functional area and everything. So now functional area creation also completed. Most of the people they are using this path only. So you just understand path, then automatically you will reach the particular configurations. And finally, define credit control area. I already told define credit control area means based on the credit control area, we can assign the employee-wise document posting priority, document posting level. So this purpose, define credit control area. So using with OB45, /n OB45. And go to the new entries, control area, RDCA. So here description is not, I'm trying to enter here Reliance Digital Credit Control area, but it will be not allowed. So not an issue, you can leave it. Currency settings, select in INR. And these are all not required now. Physical year variant, these are all no need to enter even now. So enter and save. You just created one credit control area. And data was saved. So then assignment of the final configuration is assignment of company code to credit control area. So whatever create and just now we created in credit control area, this credit control area has to be assigned our company code. So using with OB38 /n OB38. Same that person is trying is doing hard work. Same time /n SM12. But in ECC version, if you are getting an online server, offline server, you cannot arise this errors because of if you are doing in offline server, no one cannot disturbing your server. But online server, many of the people are doing same configuration. So sometimes they are deleting our company code level configurations also. That time we are doing struggles. We are facing struggles. So select this one and delete. Select at least one, sorry. Select, delete, delete. So now /n indicates home screen and OB38. OB38. So go to the position, company code, REDI to RDCA. Company code is REDI. So credit control area, RDCA. RDCA. Enter, save. One TR it will be generated, continue. So the data was saved. So this is the complete enterprise structure creation in SAP as per HANA version or else ECC version also, both are in same process in FI organization structure. So is there any doubts regarding this one?
Sir, TR means what, sir?
TR means the TR it will be generated in the configuration point of view only. So whatever the configuration done by the consultant, so that done by the consultant, the configuration will move one server to another server using with TR. So one server to another server means consultant level we are doing any configurations. The consultant level is a development server, and whatever configurations done by the development server means from the consultant, the data will move on using with TR from development server to quality assurance server. So in the quality assurance server also, some of the people working, they are experts like the configuration checking and the testing purpose. So once they are recheck the configurations, recheck means they are trial the many of documents. If any, all the documents will generate properly, then they are verify and finalize the document, finalize the configuration is everything is perfect. Then they are moving quality assurance server to production server. So production server also they are using with the help of TR. So after the configuration will move on quality assurance server to production server. The finally in the production server, the end user will use the screen, like end user will post the documents. Okay.
Okay.
That is a simple thing, but there are some technical knowledge. But if you are joining in real time scenario, then only you can understand like TR moving everything.
Okay. Yes. Sir, the steps whatever you have been done so far now, as of now, I think when if I want to do the same thing, maybe I may feel difficult because the steps which are, because I can go by pathwise or T code wise. Maybe I think one or two times if I practice, I think it will be okay.
Yes. It's not a rocket science, bro. You just practice. In my career starting time, I created a. You could not. My career time, I created more than 10 to 12 company codes. Up to 10 to company codes, FI and CO level, everything, each and every almost more than 120 topics I covered in ECC version only. But now in market, as per HANA server also, latest server also available.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So Basha sir, I think not an issue. So then if you have interested, I'll start one more configuration. Like or else I'll send some basic theory related information regarding the first topic. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. So my opinion, sir, you can tell that theory path, sir. tomorrow I or Asif we do the interface structure.
Okay. So at least you'll create a 2 or 3 company codes, not an issue. It will be help for you.
Yes, sir.
Whenever
Sir,
you are
sure.
creating more than 3 or companies, then automatically it will be remember your mind. You just close your eyes and you are having proper idea regarding the 9 steps in enterprise structure.
Okay, sir. Thank
In that manner, you will practice everything. So, any doubts regarding this? Mostly you can use through path only.
Sure, sir.
Okay, after ending this section, I will share some interview related theory information. So
Sir,
in
this
your system, we will create one folder, and each and every topic wise, you will keep it in that Excel sheet in your folder. It, it will be help for you.
okay.
So whatever the configuration you're doing, before that, you must create this Excel sheet properly. Then only you can do. Otherwise, some doubts are arising.
Sir, this Excel sheet will be shared by.
I already shared in this group chat box.
Okay.
After ending this section, the recorded video also available in the same chat box. You can download the record and Excel sheet. You can keep it in your system, maintain some separate folders. It will be help for you.
Okay.
Okay, Mohammed, not an issue. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we will discuss about the global settings.
Okay, sir.
Later, meanwhile, almost more than 100 topics we need to cover. We need to cover FICO and CO module.
Okay, sir. Sir, small doubt actually.
Mhm.
If they get the opportunity, sir, like as a fresher or experience 1 year, so
Mm.
the what is the work pressure, sir? Like it is a common to routine work or it will like project by project will changes because
Yes, yes.
why?
If you
Yes,
are
sir.
if you are getting you are getting a job in fresher, almost you're lucky guy because of compared to experienced people. Experienced people are now they're struggling more. And if you joining as a fresher, for example, one client brought a one server in SAP system. So under the SAP system, FI manager and FI team leader and CO team leader and PP team leader and team leader and purchase manager and sales manager. There are different types of manager level employees first recruited. So the each and every team leader having a proper complete end-to-end knowledge. Once the company recruited TL, they are having a real time one implementation project and one at least one rolled out and one support project. Then that kind of people the company will recruit it. After that, the team leader will select the under level consultants and whatever end users. So like FI team leader, FI and CO, some of the organization they will select the both designation one TL only, but some of the organization they select one different TLs. If FITL, they recruited whatever in ways they recruited in at least based on the organization level wise minimum 3 or 4 FI consultant. So these 4 FI consultants are doing configuration with the help of TL only. So if you joined as a fresher, you cannot tension about anything. Simply the TL guide you. He just guide you simply just today enterprise structure configuration we created. So these enterprise structure configuration creation work is at least they are doing 1 week or 10 days in real time. So in this
Okay.
manner, because of that is a very sensitive configuration. So in online server, so before that, but each and every configurations when the consultant doing the configurations without he cannot done the any configuration without blueprints. In the blueprints, the client level agreement is done. The client will approval each and every configuration have one paper. In that paper, the client level approval must and should require. Then only the TL will pass the TL will pass the blueprint to you, blueprint to the consultant, whatever junior consultants. The junior consultant, they create the step by step only. In this manner, up to FI and CO. But the main work is in organization, that is a manufacturing industry. There are n number of huge number of transactions, like thousands of crores relevant transactions they are doing in organizations. So that purpose, each and every ledger creation, if the end user level, end user is working at the like on site. It means directly some of the end users are working in manufacturing department. So in that situations, the end user will need to create one new vendor. So the vendor complete information, whatever, everything the vendor will create, vendor only create the vendor details, vendor information. But vendor relevant bank account details and vendor relevant configurations like vendor master data, these are all created from the consultant level. So if vendor posting any document and creation document, they can raise any issues. Our consultant team will be resolving that one. So these are the main work in the consultant level. But end user work means if you can join a end user, you will work on one particular submodule like AR, AP, AA, asset accounting, asset document relevant. So if you are going join as an end user, you should work only particular single department, a singular like one or two department only. So it's not any problem.
Okay,
So anything. So this is a complete cycle. Further classes I will explain one by one. First day only you cannot get everything knowledge.
yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So once FI is completed, immediately I'll help to upload your resume as a fresher and experienced people. I'll guide you, not an issue. Okay, any relevant doubts? This is the first class, so you must and should ask any doubts you are having in your mind, or you having in mind.
Sir, for myself to get this SAP server, what is the procedure for this?
So I just close the record.